Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on crypto.com. Few days back on 27th of June, I shared an idea at the Patreon for my members in which I mentioned with the detailed manner that how the price line of crypto.com has completed a harmonic bullish reversal pattern, a big harmonic bullish reversal pattern. This was the idea. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the trading view on the daily basis. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, let's have a look at this chart that I shared on 27th of June. You can see, and the price action was just entered in the buying zone of this harmonic bullish reversal bad pattern. And let me to play the chart. At that time, you can see that the price line was moving at 10 cents. You can see that the price line was moving at 10 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that so far it has rallied at 12.86 cents. Almost 29% it has rallied since I have posted this idea. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then here the price line was moving in a falling wedge pattern that is considered as a bullish reversal pattern among the traders community. And you can see that after moving in this pattern, finally the price action has broken out the resistance of this pattern, moved down, retested the previous resistance as a support here, and now it is moving to the upside. And at the same time, the price line has also broken out the exponential moving averages with the time period of 10 and 21. This EMA 10 is in the blue line and the red line is the EMA 21. And you can also observe that the EMA 10 has crossed up the EMA 21. And whenever the small time period moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving averages, that produces the bullish rally. And here we can see that after this bull cross, the price action is still moving sideways above the EMA 10 and 21. Therefore, we can expect that soon, after having this support, the price line can start the next rally that can be bigger than the previous rally that we have seen so far. Almost 29% it has rallied. And after this breakout, we can see that we have a sufficient volume here. And to watch the power of buying volume, I have also placed the volume oscillator indicator here that tells us the power of buying or sell volume. And we can see that the value, you can watch the value here. And now you can see the value is when the price action broke out here, the oscillator value was 20, and more than 10 is considered as a powerful buying or sell volume. And here it is again, it is triggered with the value of 8, but previously we have the value of 20. That is more than enough to change the trend. Now, if we take a look at the RSI already had visited the oversold zone when the price line was previously testing this support of the falling wedge here, and the RSI was oversold. And now you can see that the RSI is also bullish at this time. It is in uptrend now. Now, if we take a look at the directional movement index, then we can see that this blue line has just crossed this orange line. Whenever the blue line in this indicator crosses up the orange line, that is the buying signal. And whenever the orange line crosses up the blue line, that is the sell signal. And you can see previously we received the sell signal here, and the price action moved down. We had a very, very strong sell. And this is the ADX, this red line. You can see it is moving here. And whenever the blue line is above the orange line, this ADX shows the power of bulls. And if the orange line is above the blue line, then this shows the power of sellers or bears. At this time, we are having this blue line above the orange line, but ADX is still down. For example, if the ADX will be moved up, then it will be an indication that the bulls are taking over and the price line can move up from here. So far, we have received the first signal, that is this blue line has crossed up the orange line. Now we need to wait for the ADX to move up. That will be a strong bullish or buying signal by the ADX, by this directional movement index. Now, I would like to share with you the targets of this bullish bad pattern, and we can see that now the price line is moved above, and we are almost 29% up since I have posted this idea at the Patreon. And we are also having very good support of 100 simple moving average. This white line is the 100 simple moving average that has just appeared in the buying zone, and we can see that the price action has also tested this 100 simple moving average several times. And even though we also had a spike at the end of this buying zone as well, and the price action is reverse bullish from here. Now, if you wish to buy it within this buying zone, then we should wait for the Bitcoin to retest the $30,000 level. Then the price action may move down again and enter in this buying zone, and we will have another chance to catch it from this dip. However, we have seen that the price line has broken out this resistance of the falling wedge, has also broken out these EMAs on the daily time frame chart, and EMA 10 has formed a bull cross that is giving the buying signal, and we have received this bull cross after this death cross, after this bear cross that was formed here when the market was very strong bearish after April. And then we can see that the price line was moving down and down, and when the RSI moved in the oversold zone, the price action moved sideways, hit the resistance, and broke out the resistance as well. And the volume oscillator is also showing a powerful buying volume here and here as well. But so far, the directional movement index is not showing the power of bears like it was showing here, the power of power of bulls, like it was showing a powerful sell here. The ADX was moved up, but so far you can see that the ADX is not moved up, even though this blue line, the bullish line, has crossed up the orange line. That is a little bit critical. And for the safer side, we can also wait for this signal as well. However, the price action has confirmed the breakout, and we also have a very good support here, approximately at 9 cents. So if you have missed the buying here from this dip, from this buying zone of this Fibonacci based very big bullish bad pattern, then you can also try to buy it here above the exponential moving averages, and you can set your stop loss here at 9 cents, because we are already almost 29% up, and the price action has turned bullish, moved up from this buying zone. I'm not sure whether the price action will be moved down here, because we have so many confirmations for the bullish move. So we can try to buy it here and set our stop loss here at 9 cents and take a look at the price action where it will go. And as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish band, I have defined these targets. It can go to 15.24 cents up to 23 cents. However, this is a really very big pattern. It is also possible that it will also try to break out the final resistance that we have approximately at 25 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.